From cars to candy, the surprising secret ingredient that makes fruit snacks shine. Today we have a mind-blowing revelation for you. Brace yourselves because we're about to dive into the world of car wax. Yes, you heard that right, car wax. The stuff we use to make our cars shine like a disco ball actually contain a special ingredient that you might find in your favorite candies. Can you guess what it is? Drum roll please. It's Carnaba wax. Now, before you start picturing yourself licking your car, let me explain. Carnaba wax is a natural wax derived from the leaves of the Carnaba palm tree, which is native to Brazil. It's like the Brazilian supermodel of waxes. But here's the crazy part. Carnaba wax is not only used to make our cars look fabulous, but it's also used in some of our favorite candies. Yes, you heard that right. Skittles, M&Ms, fruit snacks, and many others owe their shiny appearance to this magical wax. You know how these candies glisten and sparkle, making them irresistible? Well, you can thank Carnaba wax for that. It gives them that glossy, eye-catching finish that makes our taste buds tingle with anticipation. But wait, there's more! Carnaba wax isn't just about looks. It also plays a crucial role in preventing our beloved candies from melting in a sticky mess. Imagine a world where your M&Ms turn into a colorful puddle before you even have a chance to enjoy them. Tragic, right? Thankfully, Carnaba wax comes to the rescue. It acts as a protective shield, keeping our candies intact and preventing them from melting too quickly. It's like a superhero cape for our sweets. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is it safe to eat Carnaba wax? Absolutely! The Carnaba wax used in candies is food grade, meaning it meets all the safety standards set for consumption. So no worry, my candy-loving friends. You can indulge in your favorite treats without any concerns at all. So the next time you're enjoying a pack of Skittles or M&Ms, take a moment to appreciate the magic of Carnaba wax. It's the unsung hero behind that shiny, melt-resistance goodness we all love. That's all for today, folks. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more mind-blowing candy revelations. Until next time, keep shining bright and satisfying those sweet cravings, in moderation, of course.